Get ready to escape the world because today we're diving deep into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones promising ultimate silence. These aren't just good. Sony's industry-leading noise cancellation technology truly redefines focus, melting away distractions whether you're on a crowded commute or a busy office. It's an immersive audio experience unlike any other, making every podcast, song, or call crystal clear. Worried about power? With an incredible 30-hour battery life, these headphones are built for endurance, lasting through your longest flights or workdays without a sweat. But the smart features don't stop there. The multipoint connection lets you seamlessly switch between two devices simultaneously, perfect for productivity. Imagine taking a call on your phone, then instantly jumping back to music on your laptop. It's effortless and incredibly convenient. What truly sets the Sony XM5 apart is this seamless blend of elite performance and intelligent design, making your audio world more personalized and powerful. They're not just headphones, they're your personal audio sanctuary, designed for anyone seeking premium sound and unparalleled peace. If you're looking to upgrade your listening experience, check out the Sony WH-1000XM5 on Amazon via the link in our description below to see current pricing. For incredible sound, ultimate silence, and unmatched versatility, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are absolutely worth the investment in 2025.